All right, welcome to lesson 3. Today we'll be learning how to run the major scale, and we'll also be playing a song by Sonny Badu called Baba. You know, Baba, Baba, oh, oh, Baba, oh, oh. So without too much talking, let's get into the lesson. I hope you've been practicing, okay, the things I showed you. And today the first thing I want you to do is to tune your bass, okay? You have to get in the habit of tuning your bass whenever you want to play. I don't care if you tuned it yesterday. If you're gonna play today, you should tune it again today. Because the bass is a string instrument and these strings go out of tune. So you have to always tune your bass, okay? But I don't want this lesson to be too long. I want to go straight to the point. So let's start, okay? After you tune your bass, let me tune my bass since I'm talking right now. All right. Remember how to tune your bass. When it's out of tune, you turn it away from you to tighten it, and you bring it towards you to loosen it up. Make sure you get a tuner, and you remember that this is the E string, A string, D string, and G string. Okay, E A D G. So you tune these notes. You tune these strings to those notes. Okay, my bass is tuned now. So the major scale goes like this. Let me switch this light source. Okay. All right. I want you to follow the exact system I'm going to use here so that you might not understand the reason why I'm telling you to do it now, but it will make sense in the long run. Okay? You're going to start with your middle finger. Okay? So if you will skip this first fret and put your hands here, okay? Each hand will be responsible for its own fret. We play in the bass in a systematic way. So you're going to put your first finger here. That means this first finger is responsible for all these notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? This middle finger is responsible for all of these. This finger is responsible for all of these. And same thing here. So it's going to be like this. The system we're going to use to play, each finger has its own fret. Okay? If you're doing finger exercise, this finger will not come here, and this finger here will not come here. Every finger stays in its own fret. You skip the first fret, and you jump here, and each finger has its own fret, okay? Even if you play something down here, it will be the same thing. Each finger will have its own. You see it? So each finger will have its own fret, okay? So same thing here. But I want to also do it in the key of C, which is why we're doing the side of the neck, okay? All right, so let's do it. Let me come closer to the camera. Okay, so the middle finger will play this note right here. That's C right there, okay? So you said Do. Because since we're in the key of C, this C note will be Do. Right now you don't know the notes yet. But you will learn theory every week mixed with practical. Okay? So this is Do. Do. Then we'll do to be Re. So write it down, okay? I will put a diagram on the screen so you can see the notes right on the screen, okay? And when I actually make the PDF, you will be able to access all of those. But for right now, I might just use the diagram because I want you to see it on the screen as you do it. So this is Do. This is Re. Do, Re. Then you come here. Mi. Come under here. Fa. So the first time, this finger didn't do anything on the first string. So you play you play the major scale on these strings right here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this 1, 2, 3. So the first time, the pointer finger didn't do anything. Okay, so you say do, which is the middle finger. Then the small finger come down to this one. Re, mi, fa, sol, la. Then this will be the first time this one will come. This ring finger will come down. Ti, do. Let's do it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So, as I said before, each finger has its own fret. Okay, each finger has its own fret. It's 4 frets that we're using, and we're using 4 fingers. So the first time will be middle finger, pinky. They come to the second string. Okay, pointer, middle finger, pinky again. Okay, so let's go back to the first time. The first time was middle finger, pinky, then pointer, middle, pinky, and then the third time will be pointer, ring, pinky, middle, pinky, pointer, middle, pinky, pointer, ring, pinky. I want you to learn this right here. Middle, pinky, pointer, middle, pinky, pointer, ring, pinky. Okay, say that. Middle, pinky, pointer, middle, pinky, pointer, ring, pinky. Okay, because that's how we'll be using to run the major scale. So you'll come here, and we'll be using from the just these 3 strings. You count from the middle, from the bottom. These 3 strings, 1, 2, 3. That's how we use to run the major scale. And it will be from here. So if you count from here, 1, 2, 3, the simplest that we played the last lesson on, this will be the key of the note of C, the key of C. Okay, so because every finger has its own fret, now this will make sense. Middle, pinky, pointer, middle, pinky, pointer, ring, pinky, which is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, so you just keep running your scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Middle, pinky, pointer, middle, pinky, pointer, ring, pinky. Okay, so that's your lesson for today. And today we will learn how to play a song. We're playing Baba, We Are in Your Presence, Let It Rain. This will be your first real worship song that you play on the second day. So if you can play this worship today, congratulations. If you cannot play it today because it's still too hard, that means you have to take the next week or the next couple of days and practice how to play the major scale. Then you'll be able to play the song. Okay, we'll learn it with pointer, ring, pinky. But the moment you learn how to play it, but the moment you learn how to move your fingers in the system. Then you switch that to do, re, mi. You say do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Because that's what we'll be using for this lesson. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay? All right. Let's play our first song. Let it fall on me. But we'll be playing our first song from here. It's the same thing. Okay? Wherever you go on the neck of the bass, you play that same major scale, it will work. That's the major scale. Anywhere you go on the neck, you do that, it will work. Okay? Even here, let's start from here. Middle, pinky, pointer, middle, pinky, pointer, ring, pinky. Come all the way down here and do the same thing. So practice playing that everywhere on the neck. So today our first song will be Baba, We Are In Your Presence. And we're playing it from right here. This will be our do right here. These are still frets, okay? They are called open frets. Although they're not here, they're still here. So we still play them, okay? If you play an open string, that means you're playing the note out here. If you play this, that means you're playing the notes here. So you can still put your hand here and play this. It will still work, even without your finger. It will work. So these are called open strings, okay? We're in your presence, let it rain. Oh, your rain, let it fall on me. Okay. So let me show you what I just played. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So, do, fa, do, sol, do. You see? So remember, every finger will stay in its own lane, okay? This middle finger is responsible for everything here. This ring finger is responsible for everything here. And this little finger is responsible for everything here, okay? And this finger is responsible for everything out here. Okay? So let's do it. We're in your presence. Fa, do, sol, let it fall on me. Do, fa, let it rain. Do, sol, let it fall on me. Do. Now I want you to do this, okay? After doing that, I want you to do this. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, mi, fa, sol, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, mi, fa, sol, mi, re, do. Okay. So I will do it. I'll do the first part again, and then do the second part. So, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, mi, fa, so, mi, re, do, fa, mi, re, do, mi, fa, so, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Hey, hey, somebody help me sing it. Baba, we're in your presence. Let it rain. Oh, your rain. Oh, your rain. Let it fall on me. Let it fall on me. Re, mi, fa. That's it. That's the whole song. Mi, re, do. Mi, fa, so, mi, re, do. So that's your lesson for today, okay? Practice a major scale in every key, okay? So in this key that we just play the song in, if you have a 4-string bass, you start on the first string, okay? If you have a 5-string bass, you start on the second string. Do, re, mi. Okay, right here is mi. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Middle, pinky, pointer, middle, pinky, pointer, ring, pinky. Okay? Practice that saying and practice that in every key. After you learn it, replace it with do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. The first string is on the 2 notes. It's on the do, re. And the second one is mi, fa, sol. The third one is la, ti, do.